The Faculty of International Relations of the Tajik National University was established in 2011. The students study in the fields of international relations, diplomacy and foreign policy, foreign regional studies, and analytical information activities in international relations. On the initiative of the university administration, English groups were established in the specialty of international relations. Now students' interest in English are increased. Students from foreign countries, including the Russian Federation, the Republic of Kazakhstan, the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, the Federal Republic of Germany, and Saudi Arabia, study at the Faculty of International Relations. In the Faculty of International Relations, with the support of the Rector of University, Professor Khushbagzoda Qobiljon, all conditions are provided for education.
I'm Dalatva Nozanin. I study in the Tajik National University in the Faculty of International Relations in first course English group. The professors are very helpful and intelligent, so I'm hoping to do my best and improve my English as much as I can. Learning foreign languages is very important in my sphere. In the Faculty of International Relations, all subjects are taught in English, which may sound complicated, but is actually very interesting and simple. It's an honor for me to be a student of National Tajik University. Although it may be my first year, but I already feel like I fit in and hope to make a lot of memories. In the future, I hope I'll achieve my goals and become a qualified specialist in the sphere of international relations and be able to represent my country. I do not regret choosing this faculty because I start to like it more and more, while I started reading a lot of books related to my major.
I'm Yara Al-Badrani. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I study here in Tajik National University in a Faculty of International Relations in a second course in English group. So as a foreigner, I'm really happy to study here in this faculty, and I appreciate all the university's effort, the fruitful lessons and all the activities. Obvious, we know that the most important things to look for in any university is the university's academic program, which is we have a lot of here in our university, like debates, seminars, conferences, and etc. So also I want to like to mention that I appreciate all the teachers, our teacher effort. They are high qualified teacher and they do a lot of things to us. And I want to say big thank for them. Also, beside that, I get closer to the tradition and culture of Tajik. I also like their music, their customs, and their food. I actually learned some Tajik dishes, how to prepare some Tajik dishes, and they are extremely delicious. Also, I have a lot of Tajik friends. They are super friendly, and I'm glad that I know them. They are so hospitable, and I'm thinking about the future. I want to keep my relationship with them because they are one of kind. Also, at the end, I want to mention that I'm very happy and I feel myself lucky to study in such university. I want to thank all the teachers and decans and the students here. So big thank you for you guys.
My name is Marcel Reke. I am from Germany and was born in Bamberg. I came to Tajikistan in 2019 and studied in 2019 also. I choose this faculty because of its prestige image that I've heard about from many people. Also, it was one of the faculties that had an English group. The teachers are very competent in their own subjects and topics. It's very interesting and informative listening to the lessons. The fellow students were very kind and supportive from the beginning and throughout the semesters. I had mixed feelings in the beginning, but the country turned out to be my new home. with one of the most interesting cultures. The facility is very clean and has 2 cafeterias to get some proper food, as well as outside options to get food and beverages. Throughout the lessons, I've learned a lot about my specialty and the Tajik language, which I learned to speak fluently. In the beginning, I couldn't even speak Tajik properly. But now I'm improving it. When I go to Germany, I always tell my friends about Tajikistan, nature, people, and everything. It is also interesting for them, and many of them have plans to come to Tajikistan in the near future.
The founder of Peace and National Unity, His Excellency Omali Rahman, pays particular attention to learning foreign languages. In his annual addresses to the Parliament of the Republic of Tajikistan, he mentions about it. This is an important step because nowadays English is one of the language of international communication, one of the official language of the regional and international organizations, and so on. As we know, Tajikistan declared foreign policy of open doors, and it means that the Republic of Tajikistan is ready to cooperate with all countries following national interest. Nowadays, Tajikistan established diplomatic relations with more than 180 countries and is an active member of more than 55 regional and international organizations. That's why we English teachers have to work hard in order to prepare good qualified specialists in the sphere of international relations. The rector of university, Mr. Khushwagh Qobiljon, pays special attention in preparation of future specialists with English, Russian, and other languages. As we are witnessing, the world community is in a very complicated situation. That's why our young generation should know different languages in order to protect and present our country all over the world. As great Gyore said, a man who knows 2 foreign languages is worth 2 men. Of course, it is right. There are 5 departments at the Faculty of International Relations. Nowadays, the Department of Foreign Policy and Diplomacy of the Republic of Tajikistan, the Department of International Relations, the Department of Regional Studies, the Department of European Studies, and the Department of Oriental Studies. The faculty have close relations with European countries and European universities as Tartu University of Estonia, Palaski University of Czech Republic, Technic University of Dresden, Germany, Kent and Cambridge University of Great Britain, and as well other universities in Central Asia. It should be mentioned that the Dean of the faculty, Mr. Jafarov, also pays particular attention to expansion of bilateral cooperation of the faculty with the foreign countries in the sphere of student mobility and also in exchange of methods and also some sharing materials and teaching products. It should be mentioned that about 60% of teaching and professor staffs of the faculty trained in foreign countries. And I hope that the faculty is ready to prepare qualified specialists in the future using interactive methods of teaching.
I am Muman Tariq. I was born in Nangarhar, Afghanistan. I grew up in Kabul. I came to Republic of Tajikistan in 2019. And in first few months, the first thing that I searched for was a prestigious university that could teach us in English language. And the first name that I came up to was Tajik National University and the Faculty of International Relations. Due to the language barrier, I had to study in English language faculty. So I started university in 2019, and the atmosphere of university and the faculty was very friendly, and they helped me in different things. Like in first, the comprehending of Tajik language was a little bit hard, and also writing of Tajik language was a bit hard for us, for me. So I started to learn from my course mates, and also we studied about Tajik language. So now I don't have any problem in comprehension of English language language and also writing of Tajik language. And also we have very professional teachers. We have studied about international relations, and in any problem or any situation, now we can analyze the situation in the world. In future, I hope I will become a good specialist in the sphere of international relations, and I hope I will become a good diplomat and to represent my country in another country, in foreign countries. And I would recommend to other foreign students, if they want to study in English courses, or if they are searching for faculties which teaches in English language in Republic of Tajikistan, I would recommend for them to join the Faculty of International Relations in Tajik National University.
My name is Narcisino Varano. I'm a student of the second course in Tajik National University, Faculty of International Relations, Russian Group. It's a great honor for me to be a student of such a great faculty and Tajik National University in general. I should mention that our faculty is one of the lead faculties in Tajik National University and one of the basic bases for preparing future representatives of the Republic of Tajikistan and abroad. I should mention that there are so many talented young persons and the winners of different competitions among our students. And also, I hope that using the bright talent and the great knowledge of our students, the foreign policy of Republic of Tajikistan will be more active and successful.
I'm Salahuddin Zoda Abulais, second course of English group in International Relations faculty. I've always wanted to study in this faculty, and it is extremely important for me that I'm learning my major in English. And via this English, my English got enhanced a lot. Surely, I can say that I'm the luckiest student that I'm gaining a lot of information and education from this honorable place in English. From the bottom of my heart, I want to express my appreciation to all qualified professors who are helping me to achieve my goals. Without doubt, this faculty is the most popular and have strong professors. In my conclusion, I just want to say that if we don't study here, it's a great shame that from such kind of facility, we just don't study, and we will be sorry. That is why I just want to study hard and be a qualified diplomat and represent my country. That is all. So for achieving my goals, I have to study really hard day by day. As I pay attention, my English got improved and my skills and information about this major. So this is my aim for my future.